Hey guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. And I got a package from LL Bean. I have fallen into the trap, into the trend of the boat and tote. Now, I'm not from New England. I'm from Ohio, but I lived in New England for many years in Massachusetts. I'm not a new person to the boat and tote. It's from LL Bean, which is in Maine, but the mini is very appealing to me because I want to make it into a shoulder bag. So I have not seen this yet. I got it in navy blue to nobody's surprise with my initials on it. And then you and I are going to turn this into a purse. Oh, I like it. I like the color. Oh, I love it. Okay. So she's tiny. It's a mini tote. And if you're not familiar with the boat and totes, these are duck canvas, I think it's called. They're waterproof. They're for the boat. They're for the New England boat. Oh, who made it? Muslimo sewed my bag. Isn't that awesome? These are all hand sewn in the factory in Maine. I think this one was $27 for this size, and then $10 to have it personalized with my initial. Okay, it's just a thread. I'm like, what is that? It's just a thread. Okay, so I need to do the measurements, but I'm pretty sure they're like 14 by, I think, 6 inches. So what we're gonna do is, I got the hardware. If you see my Temu hauls, we're gonna put strap here, hardware on each side so I can hook a shoulder strap. I might get some bottom feet for it so that I'm just trying to get it shaped out here. Some feet, so when it sits, it's not sitting on the ground. It'll have some feet. I should get some Scotch Guard for it. They are washable, very washable, but they get very wrinkly and they lose. This is a lot of sizing on here. So I might Scotch Guard it just to make it a little more fun. And then we're gonna sew a liner for the inside, right? And I'm thinking little straps to go around. I saw some people doing bows, but I think I want more of a sleek around here with some snaps to hold the liner in place because it's just a tote. And then put my shoulder straps. The thing I don't know yet is what color strap I'm gonna get. I mean, obviously it's probably gonna be navy blue or like a light blue, or probably navy blue. And if I want gold or silver hardware, I have both. But it's gonna involve a drill through here, and then you put your piece in and you screw it, and then the handle goes here. And you put some like fray check on it to keep it from fraying. But isn't that adorable? I mean, these things hold their own shape. You can use it as an arm bag, but I really prefer a shoulder bag. I'm that kind of girl. So I'm excited. She came. Oh, I'm missing something. I think they were coming in 2 different orders because I did buy a bag charm. The keychain is not in here. I don't see the keychain. Oh, yes, I do. Okay, please hold. To go with it, I got, altogether it was $54, but I had a gift card for $50 from Fetch Rewards. Oh my God, I love it. This little keychain was like $12, but it's a little tiny miniature boat and tote keychain. But I'm going to hanging on the outside. And it's a zipper, a little zipper bag. Oh, with some plastic. Let me just, please hold. I don't know where I put my scissors. Well, it doesn't matter. I'll take that off. And I might take this piece off and just attach it or attach it like that to the bag. But look at it. It's a mini, little tiny mini boat and tote. I can put my quarters in here for Aldi. I can even put my little like ibuprofen Sudafed. You can put little tiny things in here. Change, $1 or something. And then this will hang on the outside somehow. I'll make a decision. But listen to this. Like this is stiff. So I'm going to take you on an adventure with me, and we are going to zhuzh up that bag. And I'm so excited. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I got the fabric. This is what I picked out to line the bag. It's Moda is the name of the fabric. I cut this piece bigger than I need because I'm going to quilt it. And by that, I'm just going to draw some hashed lines. I don't have any fusible fleece, the iron-on kind, well, one-sided. So, and I also think stitching this will give it a little more structure. So all I do is cut it out. I pinned it, and then, well, I drew lines first. And this is iron-on. It's friction pen. It'll come off with heat. And then I pinned it so that I can just sew lines this way. Then I'll iron it. And I'll flip it and draw the lines going this way, and then I'll sew it that way. And we'll get some hash, just some hashing. And then this is the color I got for the lining. You won't see it, but it's pretty. It's a light blue. And the bag has got the navy. So I think this is going to be perfect for the first bag for summer. And then I'm hoping, hold on, let me grab it. Yeah, there's a mess. I'm hoping this zipper will fit and I can top stitch it down. But I don't know if this is going to be long enough. That's going to be a last minute call. If it is, that's great. If it's not, I need to go buy a zipper because this is the longest one that I have left. But I thought that would be lovely on the inside as a pretty decorative. So we'll see. But first we need to sew, and I'll bring you back once I have all the sewing done. Alrighty, so we have this all quilted. I just did my stitches. This is the inside, and see how the batting won't move. 24 inches long and 14 wide. We're gonna start there. I don't know, I'm making this up as I go along. And then I cut 2-inch corners on the bottom of the lining and. So 24 inches long by 14 wide. And then you cut your corners out here. So what I will do is stitch here on all the pieces, not the bottom because it's already attached. Stitch here, and then we'll stitch the corners. All right, I sewed the outside seam, and then you go sideways and you sew the two together, and that's how you get the bottom. So that's the inside. You leave it like that. I did the same thing on the outside, but you flip it, right? So we flipped it, and then I'm going to slide this inside of here. Wrong sides together, and I did trim off 1 inch. So say instead of 24 inches, it's 22 so far. So we're going to leave it at 22 inches, and I'm going to put this together. Okay, I got the zipper. I am well aware this is not a DIY video. I'm just bringing you along on my process while I figure this out because I've not made one before. But I hope to make a couple for the summer. The white zipper didn't work. It's not quite long enough. I needed at least a 14-inch. So I went with this gold because that's what I have. I found it. What we're going to do now is we're going to cut this zipper off down here because I'm going to fold this in half and we're going to sew this together. So I'm even going to take a clip here. Now at this end, we definitely want to open the zipper, but you want to fold it and make sure that everybody is even, right? Because that's how it works. I'm using these now. And then so my zipper pull is down here. Typically I would cut or sew first. And then on the bag, I have the lining in there. So that's your smooth, that's your right side, and that's your right side, and your wrong sides are together. And what's going to happen once I have this, we're gonna sew it around the outside and then flip it in and sew it around the inside. So all I'm gonna do right now is sew this shut, and trim it so it's even. That's our next step. All right. I finished the bag. I love it. Do you know how hard it is to find a solid navy blue strap? So we went with the stripe. I did attach the little bag handles. I just took my drill, made the hole through the canvas and put the screw in. This I ordered from LL Bean, and this I just had. Now, what I showed you that I made is this bag. This is my liner. I like it, but this piece here I cut at 3 inches. I need to cut it at 4 to make it wider. But I love it. So put it in here. And if I don't have it zipped, it fits in there perfectly taut. I didn't want the bows. Some people were sewing the bows. I didn't like that. And I could just put a bag down in there. But if I want to zip it, it just brings it a little closer together. No big deal. Oh, no big deal. And then I can just, the zipper. So I finished her. I love it. I do want to get some feet. I think I ordered some. They're just not here yet. But this is my upgraded boat and tote that I can use as a purse now. I love it. I hope you do too. Bye.